If you're having trouble playing videos from your gallery on your Android device, you're not alone. Today I'll walk you through some easy solutions to fix this issue. Let's dive right in. First, check the file format of the video. Some formats may not be supported by your device. Common formats like MP4, AVI, and MKV usually work well, but if your video is in an unusual format, you might need to convert it. Sometimes a simple restart can do wonders. Just power off your device and turn it back on. This can help resolve temporary glitches that might be affecting video playback. If the problem persists, let's clear the cache of the Gallery app. Go to Settings, then Apps and find Gallery. Tap on it and then select Storage. Here you'll see an option to clear cache. This can help fix playback issues. Low storage space can also cause playback issues. Go to Settings, then Storage and see how much space you have left. If it's running low, consider deleting some unused apps or files. And that's it. I hope one of these solutions helped to resolve the issue with videos not playing in your gallery. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.